Oh,
it's hard to eat out.
so this is how it should look like when you're ready to mix it with your hands. It should be stringy and coming away from the cup. You might just have to use your fingers in there. And another tip, put a little bit of the activator on your hands and rub it in like lotion, so that way it won't stick to your hands that much.
Ooh. Sure. I think so, but not it is clean. It will come off. Huh?
Okay.
Those, at least
All right.
slime.
Okay, start mixing your slime. How do we mix it? So why don't you take the wets in the bowl and work with that, and then you can go back to your cup and get more. All right, so let me get a close-up of what you're doing. All right, okay, so you're stretching and pulling.
Yes.
Just keep stretching and pulling.
I'm stretching and
Awesome.
pulling.
Okay, oh, I see how it's starting to come together. It's really slimy and gooey at first, but the more you stretch and pull and then you fold it, the faster it's gonna set.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right. Thanks, Jennifer.
You're welcome.
Slime time, guys.